Software hazards analysis. Software hazards analysis online training. This is 3 days training, presented by Tonex Training. Software requires special attention and consideration in system planning, arranging, engineering, design, check, approval and test. Software Safety and Risk Management Training Workshop presents procedures and techniques for creating and investigating software and features, dealing with a software safety program, critical thinking, arrangements and safe designing, FMEA, MiCA, FDA, and FRICAS appropriate to software, related framework and equipment, installed frameworks and firmware. Software Safety and Risk Management Training Workshop is a 3-day hands-on workshop concentrating on software safety, software hazards investigation standards and systems, hazards recognizable proof, basic reasoning, risk evaluation as far as seriousness, likelihood and control, software risk relief. Learn about key ideas of software safety, hazards, main drivers, risk evaluation, risk mitigation, and management. Techniques to find, control and forestall software hazards. Different software safety perceiving programs. Creating safe software. Risk alleviation procedures and apparatuses. Course designed for software engineers and managers, system safety engineers, embedded software engineers who are involved with developing systems that possess major software components, other IT experts. Course outlines. Introduction to software safety. Software safety program planning. Introduction to risk management and software safety. Software safety implementation process and tasks. Software safety engineering process. Meetings and reviews. Software hazard analysis process. Software safety program plans. Request more information. Online training available. Visit tonex.com for course and workshop detail.